a rock star, the rap star, not the superstar.
Hey guys, I have an idea.
Sorry, I'm busy right now.
Have you ever thought how we'll connect to each other after 4 years?
No, I haven't thought about it.
Let's give it a try. Why not build a website or an app that connects all our alumni together? Is it possible to work out? Maybe. Let's just give it a try though.
No, I don't think so anymore.
Come on, man. Show some enthusiasm.
It's getting late. Move to the class right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
No, why are you sitting here?
Ma'am, I actually had a project idea.
Yes, can you explain it?
Ma'am, I thought about how can we connect all our college alumni and seniors together into a single platform so that it could be useful in connecting and knowing about the various competitions that are going to be conducted in the college.
That's great. We can implement this idea too. We will discuss these things with our seniors.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do you have any idea how you are going to implement this part?
Maybe we could create an app or a website which would connect, and it is similar to LinkedIn, ma'am. So we could give connections to our seniors and alumni so that we could know at what position they are, where are they employed right now. We could learn from their experiences.
That's great. I will inform to your senior. You just go and meet them. They will guide you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi guys. What's up? What's going on?
We're discussing about a project.
Yeah, fine. I met the first year student where she was quite interested in doing her project. I asked her to connect with you. Just connect with her and discuss.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
That's good.
I came to meet Sumitra, ma'am.
Are you the first year student?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, Sumitra told about you. You can join with us.
Thank you.
Come.
Hi, I heard about your idea. It was quite interesting. I think you are interested in doing your project. Let me explain how to create a flow product based on network curriculum with 5 activities. It all started with the chaos, ideas clashing, voices overlapping, dreams with no direction. We all wanted to create something meaningful, but didn't know where to begin. Every classroom, every project, there was potential, but also confusion. That when the SNS decided to embrace the challenges, to turn chaos into creation. It taught us to empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test to put people before products, needs before numbers. The foundation was set not just for innovation, but for transformation.
How can an effective framework be developed so that we can achieve?
Hey, what's discussion going on?
We are discussing about frameworks.
Okay, I will take care of that. Let me explain. Once we had a foundation, we need a structure, a framework that would hold our dreams steady. You know what? That's where the 3P culture came alive. Purpose, process, and people. Purpose gave our why. Process guided our how. And people, they become our core. All these together they build the SNS culture.
What is it about 3C framework?
Yeah, let me tell you. The 3C framework are attitude, logic, and technique. Because at SNS, we don't just teach skills. We shape mindsets. And there are 5 pillars in our institution called learn, upskill, innovate, network, and share. These 5 pillars becomes the every habits that every SNSian carries. And of course, we never forget balance. Throw spine with 18 clubs on health, hobbies, and sports. We learned that creativity thrives only when both mind and body are alive.
What about 7+7 trust areas?
I'll get take care of it. She will guide you. Carry on.
Can you tell me about the 7+7 trust areas?
Sure. First, let's speak about the innovation. When culture and framework meets passion, it is when innovation is born. And at SNS, innovation is not just a word, it's how we live a life. So talking about the 7+7 trust areas, we have a 7+7 industry pillar where we have built 15 industry clubs wherein we connect classroom learning to real-world impact. Then came the Gen AI enablement. Gen AI changed the way we think, process, and create. Through genetic AI, students are not just followers these days, they are able to take on real-world challenges in fields such as IT, business, and engineering. So, through these 7+7 trust areas, we can do a marvelous work.
What about OKR and startups in our college?
I'll tell you about it.
What is going on?
Ask me about the OKR goals and the startups in our college.
Come on, I'll explain to you about it. Morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Ma'am, here she is.
Ma'am, the help given by our seniors was really useful. I came to know about the 3P culture of our college and also about the 5-pillar concept developed by our college.
So did they tell you about pursuit of excellence, any topic related to that? Okay, so let me explain to you. Innovation alone isn't enough for doing this whole thing. Constant direction needed. So that's where our SMART OKR goals come in, which is like specific, achievable, measurable, relevant, and time-bound. Okay, so excellence is not just a one-time act; it's a constant and continuous journey. Okay, at SNS we focus on progressive achievement, where every success, let it be big or small, it adds something to greater. Okay. And then comes our boldest stage, which is 1,000 AI startups in 10 years. First, for every one of us, it sounded really impossible, but for design thinking as logic and AI as enabler, this dream began to take shape. And there's nothing else to say. And then came our boldest dreams, which is like 1,000 AI startups in 10 years. At first, for every one of us, it sounded really impossible, but with design thinking as logic and AI as enabler, this dream began to take shape. So, so we call it the growth mindset, like every one of us, which is in which we learn that no goal is too big or no dream is too small, and that's it. So did you get in your?
Yeah, I understood.
You understood, right?
Thank you.
That's it. It's fine.
And that's how years turn into creation. From foundation to framework, from innovation to excellence, the SNS roadmap becomes more than a plan, it becomes a journey. Every student, every faculty, and every dreamer, it's a part of it. Because at SNS, we just don't teach, we just transform it. We don't just build a project, we build the people. We don't just dream, we just create a reality. With our design thinking, it's providing a logical approach and AI-enabling scale. The 1,000 startup vision is not just a dream, it's an achievable. I hope you're clear with this concept.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I understood it.
You're welcome.